Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and it's only 2 a.m. today, and I'm going to be talking about reward in reinforcement learning. So first off, what is reward? In reinforcement learning, a reward is simply a scalar feedback signal the environment gives an agent after it takes an action. Positive rewards reinforce good behavior, negative rewards, also known as penalties, discourage bad behavior, and zero just doesn't mean anything, it just means neutral. Now, why do we use rewards in reinforcement learning? Rewards are the only learning signal in reinforcement learning. In vanilla reinforcement learning, rewards are the only learning signal they get. There's no teacher that tells them the right action. You can only get these numbers, and the agent's job is to maximize the sum of these rewards over time, which we also call the return. Imagine there's a stickman inside of a tiny grid world. When it touches the treasure chest, it gets +1 reward, and if it touches the monster, it dies and gets a -1 reward. The agent's goal is to touch a treasure chest without dying. However, if we want our agent to become faster and learn better over time, we do something what is called intermediate rewards. For example, every time the agent moves in a direction, we penalize it 0.1. This encourages faster solutions, as the agent, as stated back in the return, wants to maximize the sum of the rewards over time. And by doing this, every single time it gets 0.1 taken away, it's going to realize that it should take the shortest path in order to get the least amount of 0.1 reductions. Now, this is what we call sparse and dense rewards. Rewards could be sparse, meaning that we only give the reward at the end, or dense, every few steps we give rewards. In summary, sparse rewards are rewards you get at the very end of the training iteration or scene, and dense rewards are when you get rewards every action that helps the agent go to the right path and learn faster. However, there are a few pitfalls when doing rewards shaping. You have to make sure to scale the rewards so they're neither too huge or too tiny. If they're too big, this might lead to instability when training, and if they're too small, it would lead to slow learning. On top of this, making sure your rewards are even correct is very important. For example, if your reward shaping is really bad, it could lead to what I call reward hacking, in which the agent does something that you don't want it to do, but it does it because it keeps getting really great rewards off of it. This is, for example, giving it good intermediate rewards that it's to the point where it doesn't even want to finish the game and instead just keep going around in circle as it keeps getting more and more and more reward. And yeah, that's how reward works. Reward basically tells the agent if what it's doing is good and what it's doing is bad, and this is how it learns and trains. Once again, if you like this tutorial, please leave a like, subscribe, tell me what I could do better in the next one, and thank you so much for watching.